Hello, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report for you on a CRE 8900 radio. This looks like it'll be our last tune-up report on an 8900 radio. The importers have stopped importing this radio and they're all done. So this is my last one. This is for Robert in California. Let's check it out. I'm using a 636 microphone on it right now. Robert, over here, 10 watts across the top scale. Right at 8, that's where he asked me to put it. And on the peak reading meter, got a 50 watt slide. I'm turn that down.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Check, check.
Alright, and on sideband.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check.
I don't know if I mentioned on the peak reading meter 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 in the middle there.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check.
Alright. Seeing if I can get that without any feedback, but that was a hopeless attempt. Let's put it on the air. How about a 19's my radio working break?
Hey, radio working.
Appreciate it, Gyro. Thank you.